So this is the disassembly of the Eufy S40 solar camera. This one I've had for over 3 years, and it's moved different places with me, and it got to the point where the lens started degrading or corroding or something, and it was just unusable. I thought it would last longer than 3 years, but you know what? For a battery camera, maybe it is good. Not sure. So before I throw it away, I thought I would take it apart and we'll go through all the different aspects of it. This is pretty interesting to me. So we'll start with the body here. It's a plastic body, and when I took it apart, I started with the front, and this was attached to this right here. And there were the LED boards here, and there was signs of water getting in here, so that would have been like that on this side here. Quite a bit of rust, but everything still worked fine. The cameras always worked besides the camera lens going bad. I thought it would have been the battery that would have went bad, but it still works great. So I realized that the 4 screws actually held it together. I thought it was glued together. It wasn't. So this here went bad a long time ago, so water started getting in here. So I started taking it apart, and this was full of water. There was a puddle of water inside the case. But the quality of everything is pretty good, besides, the waterproofing of everything. And as I start to take it apart more, there's so much water damage in this camera, but it still works fine. The Wi-Fi works, the recording works, all that. So this is the main body and interior body of it. So, or the frame, interior frame. So the battery sits in here. This is the battery, which is a replaceable part, but you can't buy it from Eufy. It's not a part you can buy, but it is user replaceable, it looks like. That sits in here, decent quality frame. Here's the charging board, and there is corrosion here. And that's probably why it was charging super slow. So that's probably why it was charging slow, because of that corrosion there. And it's partially like half empty, half hollow. This is all there is right here, is this charging board. And the battery sits in here. Now the main computer part of it sits in this front frame here, which is plastic and metal. And with the camera, and it sits right in here like that. And this was soaking wet, and it still works. So there must be some kind of waterproofing on the board here. And yeah, so pretty amazing. All good, all pretty good quality. There is a lot of water damage in here. I can't believe it still works. So this is the back side of it. Probably the main controller board there. There's some corrosion there. Wi-Fi chip is under there. And if we flip it over, it's a nice looking circuit board here, black circuit board. Then we have the lens, which went bad, but it pops right off. And right there is the sensor, just soldered straight to the main board right there, the 2K sensor. And this looks like it's a replaceable part, but they don't sell it. So I could have fixed this camera and been using it for a lot longer time if I could buy this piece here. But I searched, and the barcode doesn't tell you anything. You can't find anything with the with the model number on here. So this is probably just like a focus control there. But man, you can see those little divots on the glass there. Don't know why that happens. But it just ruins the whole thing. And I thought the battery would have went first, but the battery's fine. I think the battery still has quite a bit of life left in it. And the solar panel still works fine. It sits kind of out in a wooded area to watch wildlife, and it charges in the sun. But yeah, um, this thing is just full of water, still works. It's amazing. Um, it has parts that could be replaced, but they don't sell you the parts, and you can't find it anywhere. So it's garbage, essentially. And there's more like sensors and stuff. This is the main motion sensor here, but there's some LED lights and other sensors in there too for the front of it. But yeah, Eufy did a good job on this camera, pretty good quality. You just can't buy the parts for it, which is kind of disappointing. Um, but yeah, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think. There is just a simple connector for the solar panel, nothing fancy. But could have got some more life out of this camera because you can easily take it apart and seal it back together. You probably don't even need to seal it because apparently everything is waterproofed on the circuit board, which is pretty cool. So let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.